Hey there, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Beyblade Dad with a very cool tutorial. Potentially for parents, mostly for everyone. Now don't be intimidated. We're gonna learn just how to let it rip. There are very many different kinds of Beyblades and very many different kinds of launchers. As you can see, there is a string launcher, and mind you, this is what I've done so that I can hold it better, right? And of course, here is the left-right spinning launcher, the sword launcher for Excalius. This is actually a launcher for a fake Beyblade that we bought. So that's what that looks like, and it's in the resemblance of a Takara Tomy one, which is actually right here. You can see that they're pretty much the same. This one is only a right spin, this one is a left and right. How you can usually tell is by the L or R on either side, and most will either say left or R. This one is only a right spin, but it's for that kind of right spin. Now, this is of course a right spin launcher as well. What I like to do with these is to get a bigger grip. Newer models of launchers will be a little bit better for holding, like so. Remember, if you get stuck, what you can do is hold on to it, twist, and your bag comes out real easy. We have the string launcher here. It's a left-right string launcher, of which you can check out the unboxing for one of my other videos. And that again, it's the same thing. Never make it click. Oh, looks good. This sound. That. What that does is actually we get the mechanism that is inside. And you can see that mechanism here. I've been trying to make it into a string launcher and it's not working. It's not at all. Outside from it. But that's what we found out as to what happens when you keep clicking it. If this launcher is from the remote control back here version, it's slower. So here we are. We have a right spinning bay right here, which is from Hasbro. Hercules is the part of the one that is for the Beyblade Burst map. So what you do is match the two protrusions on the sides with the indents in here, in the metal. You see as they go in like this, they fit in. Okay? The metal itself goes inside of the hole. See? These, they all have their number. They go inside. Put that into the protrusions and turn it to the right because it is a right spinning bay. This one is a Takara Tomy bay. Now what is the difference, you ask? Well, it is the same. It has its protrusions, and it has the indents on the metal. And if you put it in, the difference being, it clicks. And no, you have not broken it. That is how it works. And you do not mix Hasbro with Takara Tomy, as they can ruin the mechanism inside. Now, there are certain bays that go left and right. There was a parent, hi there, if you're watching, who did not know how to tell. So, for the most part, the easiest way to tell is the direction of the metal. So, that is a left spinning bay, that is a right spinning bay. So as you can see, the position of where the metal is in there, to tell you by looking at it once it's already formed, once it's already inside. So let's do this one. And of course, once you're looking inside of the bay, you can tell there's R or a left, R or a L, showing you whether it's a left spinning bay right now or right spin bay. And right now it is right spin bay. So let's do this, put it into the protrusion, then I guess I was wrong. It's the left spinning bay. There we go. So if you can see the differences as to where the position of the metal is. Okay? So that being said, that is how you determine the different kinds of bays, the different kinds of launchers. This is a slingshot launcher, of which you could as well link together. And how do we do it? It seems like an easy enough task. What you do is first line up these holes, these lines, or these protrusions, with the first protrusions in the middle of the bay. So basically like this, matching it here. One spin, and that's it. You do not need to click, you do not need to do anything else. There are times when the bays do fall, and that does happen. Totally normal. Happens to everybody. But with practice, you can get any bay. Two, stick to the launch right. Like so. Okay. Now parents, I do hope you found this educational. I do hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something today and that you do enjoy playing with the kids. I sure do. I collect them for myself. We have a collection for my son, me. It's become pretty fun and competitive. So I do encourage all parents to at least know how to do it. And if your son or daughter is interested into it, please share my video, like, and subscribe, as that does help me out. And as always, let it rip!